Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing from Bullion Now! BullionNow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
Is that the longest intro you've done for a while?
Probably. We have 3 boxes.
I feel like we're playing a shell game.
Yes, that's it. I'm going to move them all around. What's under the cup, Michael? What is under there?
Well, I'm guaranteeing you this one's silver. I have no clue on the others.
So,
some of them will be gold and some of them will be platinum.
If I've selected the right boxes, within these there are the 2023 Britannias. But we have a variety of the medals come through and we're not sure which box is which.
It's funny, we're making a big song and dance of this. We know exactly what they look like because they've looked exactly the same.
Yeah, but you know, it's cool. It's Britannias. We haven't seen them in a little bit. And these are the 2023 year with Her Majesty's effigy still on the other side.
They are. So for those that aren't aware, the Royal Mint has produced a limited number of, and that's their words, not mine, a limited production run of the Britannia for the 2023 with Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth on the obverse side. They are telling us, and they've actually got on their website, I was looking this morning, they've actually got on there that they are expecting to do a run of King Charles later on. Actually, I think from January, I think they're saying.
I saw a comment on one of our previous videos of someone saying that a Queen collector in the UK, someone that asked, had said that they were going to be doing the swap over from December 31st. So,
yeah, that seems to be what they're indicating on their website as well now. So we will have a look at them, but bear in mind these do look like a standard Britannia. But the quote-unquote special thing about these is that they've got the Queen's effigy on it, and we're not anticipating very many of these will actually get out into the system before they convert them over to the King's effigy. And
just the fact that the Britannia is a really, really cool coin, and I happen to have a bit of a soft spot for it.
It's got no bias there, is there?
Not in the slightest, but they're a very cool coin. They boast quite a few security features that make them that little bit more unique from your standard bullion coins.
You should do a link down below.
Yes, we did
up above or wherever you do the links.
We did a bit of a video on some of
up there or down there.
We did a bit of a look through some of the security features of the coins. Yeah, well let's look at that side, considering we were talking about it.
Yeah. So yeah, that was a great video that you and Matt did on the security features.
Yeah, and the Britannia was the one with the most.
It is. They certainly have gone all out with their security features on the Britannia.
Yeah, I think it was the 2021s that they first started doing that with, where they made the jump to add a few more. They have been adding security features before that, but they added a few more for the 2021s and now the 2022s.
Right. We have a limited number of the silver in. In fact, we've got a limited number of all of them in. If we sell out, and there is a good chance that we will sell out. If we've sold out, we can't take pre-orders, but don't panic. We do have some more 2023s on order, and they will come through. So with the Queen's effigy on the back. So I can't guarantee when they're going to arrive because it's very, very supply dependent, but we do have some more on order, so don't panic too much. Which box are we going to open next, mate?
I reckon we keep it going in the line. Let's go here.
Mate, your OCD's showing again.
Well, I mean, you can muck them up. Go for it.
Alrighty, this is the standard. Not that there's anything standard about bullion, it's all pretty special. But these, I'll just move that one to the side, will be the 1 ounce gold.
He's confident, is he right?
I read the label.
Oh, okay, that'll do it.
I cheated, mate.
I mean, there's a reason for your confidence, I'll give you that. Oh, expertly done. That tape can be a pain to get into sometimes. So you've done that well.
Yeah, but I can't get it off the glove. Oh, I think I've got this glove on the wrong way around.
It's doing its job still. That's
These gloves are thanks to STI Custom, aren't they?
Yes, we had a lovely viewer send us some. We were having some issues getting some for a while, so
it's pretty sad when you can't get cotton gloves, isn't it?
It is, but yeah. So thank you, little shout out there. Thank you for hooking us up with some gloves. It's now we just need to put them on the right way, and we'll be sorted.
So that's the gold one. And as we can see, it looks standard. and it has the Queen's effigy on the other side. So that's the 1 ounce, all in stock.
Fantastic.
Piece of useless trivia for you. And
Yep.
I don't know if I'm allowed to admit to this,
All right.
but my first cotton gloves that I got for my numismatic coins, I nicked from Federal Parliament on a school trip to Canberra.
Amazing. I don't know how long. I don't know if anyone from there is watching or how long they hold a grudge, but good to know.
Well, they were there for people. I don't actually know what they were there for, but they were there for the general public to help themselves.
Oh, sure,
They went on a tour, but I wasn't going on the tour. But I
You decided they were for the general public, if nothing else.
yes, that's right. I freed one pair of gloves.
Liberated. Yeah.
And I felt guilty about it my whole life, believe it or not.
This is it. This is just you venting and,
That's right.
and getting it off your chest.
It's very cathartic, mate.
All right.
I think that's about the extent of my criminal history.
Do you still have them though?
I believe I do.
Oh my goodness! I wasn't expecting that answer. They're going to want them returned now.
Might have to wash them first. Alrighty, so opening the platinum component of it all. Now let's have a look here. Start off with the good old 1 ounce. It's stuck to my thumb.
Sticky tape's great when it works for you, but sometimes every now and then it plots against you.
That security sticky tape is unbelievable.
Yes, it's a little bit harder to rip through. That's why we have the knife even just for the tape.
Yeah, that's right. Alrighty, so the platinum 1 ounce Britannia. Now it will look suspiciously like the silver one, but if you look really closely, you'll notice the Queen's effigy is on the back. However, it's a 2022.
Yes.
Because as far as we're aware, they haven't produced the 23 in platinum yet, and I'm not even sure that they are going to produce it in platinum, but I actually don't know. They just haven't been notified of that one.
That may be one of the ones that they end up doing post December 31st in the with the new effigy.
With the King's effigy on it.
Yeah, so it still might be 2023. It just may not be with Her Majesty on it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. But for now, we've got some of the 2022s.
So the 2022 1 ounce is in, and this will be a 2022. Although I may have to check with my glasses.
We'll make sure.
The 2022 1/10 ounce. Oh, grief. How sticky is it?
There you go. You
Now
got
we're
it.
under control. Suckers.
I was going to say I'll need this one just to sit in your hand for a second, just so people can kind of get a bit of an idea for the of the size.
Get a bit of a comparison.
Yeah, actually, that'd be good. So we'll go for a bit of a comparison in size because I'll blow it up a little bit on the macro lens so you can make out the detail, but it doesn't quite capture how small it is until you're actually comparing it to either your hand or the bigger coin there.
They're even thinner. It doesn't look thinner, but they certainly feel thinner. Now I need to put my eyes on Rubes, so I can make sure that it is actually a 2022, which I'm 99% sure it is.
99.99?
Yeah.
Or 95?
No, 95. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to see it, even with my glasses on. Where are we? Yep, so 2022.
Good stuff.
So that's what we've got in stock now. We've got the 1/10 Platinum 2022 and the 1 ounce Platinum 2022. Remember, both of those have the Queen's effigy, but that's because it's from the year 2022. And then we've got the 1 ounce silver, the 1 ounce gold with the 2023 stamp on it, the Queen's effigy, which will, at this stage, Royal Mint is indicating that that is the limited run that they're going to do up till December 31st.
Exciting stuff.
Grab them while you can.